Assalamu alaikum students, how are you? Hope you all are fine. Our today's topic is patriotism, and in it we discuss today about the writing skills. Before going through the topic, it is important to review the previous points. So here I have attached a one picture which describes the importance of patriotism. The feeling of patriotism is important for the freedom of a country. A patriotic person will always be ready to sacrifice his life for the love for his country like our soldiers did every time. A patriot is immortal. Man loves their own country. They do many things for the good of the country. This feeling for their country is called patriotism. Patriotism is one of the best virtues of man. It is a noble feeling of the mind. It is said that mother and motherland are superior to heaven. Our today's topic is a writing skill. Before going to the writing skill topic, it is important you to know about what is meant by writing. Writing is a process of using symbols. In it, we use letter, alphabet, punctuation marks, and spaces. Writing is used to communicate thoughts and ideas in a readable form. Generally, we write using a pen or pencil or a keyboard for typing. With pen or pencil, we usually write on a surface such as paper or whiteboard, or with the computer, we use a keyboard. In writing skills, it includes all the knowledge and ability related to expressing ideas through the written word. Knowing what situations call for different styles of writing and being able to set an appropriate tone over text are both important writing skills that any person can use at work. The basic writing skills are, and you need to do working on it, is grammar, punctuation marks, spelling, vocabulary, clarity, brevity, engagement, proofreading, and revising a text. Every work has a process cycle. So here the writing is also a process. First point is pre-write. Number two is plan and outline. Number three, write a first draft. Number four, read draft and revise. Number five, edit and proofreading. Research plays an important role in writing. Before start writing anything, it is important you to know the five main kinds of writing. Writing has been all around us for centuries. Millions of people around the world are currently writing books, newspapers, articles, academic essays, restaurant menus, traffic signs. Even the web page you are reading right now was written by someone. So, the five main kinds of writings are expository writing, descriptive writing, persuasive writing, narrative writing, and journal or letter writing. Each writing genre has its own unique purpose. Expository writing is a text that aims to describe, explain, or inform the reader about any topic. You might be thinking, hang on, was not descriptive writing a whole other category? Yes, you are right. We sell both. Expository and descriptive pieces describe things. They are different in one important aspect. A key feature of this non-fiction writing style is that there is no opinion or agenda. The author is only wanting to convey information. For example, textbook, wiki pages, presentations, essays. Descriptive writing is a style of writing that involves a detailed description of a place or a person, which is intended to create a vivid picture in the reader's mind and give them a better feel for the story. It's hoped that if the reader is fully immersed in what's happening, then they will enjoy the text more. This style of writing uses a lot of small details to create a clear picture of what is going on. For example, in it, we discuss about scripts, poetry, fiction writing, and comics. Narrative writing is calculated as one of the most important part in writing skills. Narrative writing can be defined as a piece of text that tells a story. This can be in the form of fiction or non-fiction and relate to both the stories and the order in which it's being told. Although stories are the most common form of narrative writing, non-fiction such as travel, writing or biographies and are also considered narratives. In it, we considered as the seven key elements to a piece of narrative writing: characterization, setting, theme, plot, atmosphere, figurative language, and point of view. Ultimately, narrative writing is telling a story is the best way possible. It can be very versatile in the viewer and lends itself so well to creative writing. For example, short stories, autobiographies, and historical texts. The purpose of a piece of persuasive writing is, of course, to persuade the reader of something. For example, pieces of persuasive writing might be political leaflets, opinion piece, or book review. A persuasive text is usually less about facts or more about opinion. After all, how many times you have managed to convince somebody of something on fact alone? A good piece of persuasive writing is likely to appeal to what the reader believes about the world. For example, it is advertisement, promotional material, political leaflets, review, and propagandas. It's last but not the least, the journal and letter writing. Journal writing and letter writing is one of the oldest writing style. We have been sharing correspondence with one another for centuries. This style of writing has seen a dramatic change since the dawn of computers and phones. This writing style is usually written in the first person and is usually quiet person, especially journal writing. For example, diaries, blogs, letters, journals, text messaging, emails.